Hello, folks. This is Sharon Naraine, and I am coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State here in at the South Lake Hospital, and I am so excited because guess what? My husband, after 8 days today, he will be heading on home tomorrow, which is amazing. So I'm excited. All right. So thank you guys, everybody who prayed for us, prayed for my husband. I really do appreciate that. But I am here. As a matter of fact, I'm heading back up where he's at. Oh, let me see. Oh, I have to turn this way. I'm sorry. See, I came in through the emergency. I am heading back up there now to see him because I went home to check up on my mom. So there you can see. All right, I'm here. I'm gonna hit the elevator button because I'm gonna go all the way up. And there you can see he's on the second floor. So folks, why I'm saying all this, okay, I need for you to reach out to me because I do have an amazing, wonderful business opportunity that's gonna blow your mind. Okay, so reach out to me, 352 805 9846. Look how beautiful this elevator is. 352 805 9846. Or you can go to my website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com. Fastcashwithsharon.com. And also you can go to create